So what's in it for you? Well, first and foremost, you'll slash the risk of accidents. By staying alert and keeping an eye out for potential hazards, you can spot trouble before it even thinks about messing with you. When it comes to defensive driving, one of the major pluses is the supercharged reaction time it gives you. Now, here's an example. You're cruising along, minding your own business, when out of the blue, some car rudely decides to merge into your lane. But fear not. Thanks to your excellent defensive driving skills, your lightning-fast reflexes kick in and you react in the blink of an eye. The best part, defensive driving zaps away stress. When you're confident in your driving skills and ready for anything, you can kick back and relax behind the wheel. No more white-knuckling the steering wheel or constant worry. Instead, you'll enjoy a chill driving experience, soaking up the freedom of the open road.